Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a website intro animation using Framer without writing any code. This animation was inspired by this website. I have created my own version using different images and styles. You can find the original site link in the description. Be sure to check out this beautiful template. I have also shared the remix link for this project in the description so you can customize it yourself. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Create a project, then go to layers, desktop and make it stack. Next, we will create our hero section. This section, since visitors need to see some content right after the intro animation, we will add that here. I'll speed up this part because I'm sure you are more interested in the intro animation itself, and going into too much detail here would just make the video longer. With the hero section complete, let's build the intro animation step by step. Since the animation appears at the very top of our website or hero section, it plays fast and only then we do see the main content. So we need to make sure everything is set up above it. Let's create a frame by pressing F on our keyboard and draw a frame like this. Then drag it and drop it to the desktop. Set the position absolute, place it at the top. Like this. We can drag it and drop it here. Set the width 1200, height 100 VH. 100 VH means it will take up 100% of the screen height regardless of the device you're using. So align it center, scroll down, set the Z index, I guess 10. Right click on it, create component, name it anything you would like. Let's name it landing intro. Click this variant. Again make it stack by clicking this layout, draw a frame. Set the width, fill, height, viewport 100 VH. Change the fill color to this color. Inside this frame we will place all our images, but first change the name to container. Set the position absolute and set the width to 150. Add some radius, I guess 20. Place it here. Upload our second image. Absolute 250. Radius 20. Place it here. Drag this and drop it to the container. That's done. Now let's rotate the image slightly, drop it to the container, and now click here, transform, rotate and make it I guess -10. Also here you can rotate like this. Select both and move them slightly toward the top, I guess here. Perfect. Now let's add an appear animation. To do this, click on this image, go to effects, appear, click this enter, set the opacity 1 and set the y offset value 800. Click this transition, ease, enter this value in the bezier. Now copy this effect, copy and select all, rest of them, right click on effects, paste. If you look closely, the last two images start their animation slightly later, as you can see. So adjust the value here, click on this image, again go to effects, effect, transition and add delay like 0.3. Again set the value 0.3. Now let's preview our animation to see if it's working or not. Yes, it's working, but the image is touching the edges of the canvas. Don't worry, it will look normal on the home page. We can simply change the name here to variant 1 to I guess animation start. Zoom out a bit. Click here, this text, add one variant, remove the animation here because we want the image to stay on the canvas for a while. Select all the image, remove the effect, name it static state, add another variant. This variant is for our logo. Upload our logo, place it on the container, change the name to logo, center, middle. Finally, add one more variant for ending the animation. Change the name here to logo reveal, name it animation end. Container, change the position type to absolute, scroll down, styles, filters, blur, and add some blur, I guess 10. Add some minus value on the top, I guess minus 1000. Pin it on the left and right. One last thing we need to do is add navigation. This controls the sequence of the animation. First, the animation plays, then it pauses for a moment, then the logo appears, and finally the animation ends. So click this animation, click this navigate icon and drop it here. Interaction appears. Be sure to add some delay, otherwise all the animations will happen at the same time. You will only see the first one. So add delay, I guess 0.3. Then click this static state. Click here. Again appear, delay 0.5. Now click here. Appear, delay 0.7. And finally animation ends. Remove it. All done. Now let's give it a preview to see if it's working or not. Yes, it's working, but we can't see our hero section because we need to remove this white color. So double click on it, animation start, scroll down, remove this fill color. Also let's add some transition here. Click this transition, spring, ease, paste this value. Now let's see. Yes, it's working. For some reason, the animation bounces at first. I'm not sure if it's a bug or an issue on my end, but it looks fine in the browser. So if I publish it, click this link. It's working perfectly here, so there's nothing to worry about. But one thing we need to do is fix this rectangle. So click here, this landing intro, and pin it on the left and right. Now hit publish, update. Yes, now it looks perfect. Lastly, let's add some animation to our hero section. Click this landing intro, visible, no. Now click this container, text and button, effects, appear, enter, scale it, I guess 0.5. Now go to the transition, add some delay, I guess 2.2 seconds. This is because we animate this section after the previous animation ends, so it needs a delay of 1 or 2 seconds. So let's copy it, click this burger image, paste this effect, but on here make the delay 2 to animate this at first. Now let's preview one more time. Yes, it looks okay. Again, make it visible. Now let's preview it on our browser. Click publish, update, open the URL. I have made some changes to the project and URL, like setting a max width of 1200. Here, like everything is around this area of 1200. Also, I changed the transition ease in and out to only ease in. Let me show you the transition. Here, appear, enter, ease in. So now it look like this. Since the image position is absolute, it might look different on various screen sizes. You may need to adjust the image by pinning it to the top or bottom and fine-tuning it back and forth to get the perfect position. I won't cover that here, but let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make a separate video on that. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. More videos like this are coming soon, inshallah.